I am very excited to report that a parcel has just arrived, which contains new books. So here we have, hot off the press, Broken Bits and Weirdness, but God Still Loves Us. We've got 9 different intergenerational Bible studies in here. Bible study like you've never seen them before. We've got your kind of traditional Bible study bits with plenty of space for some wondering questions. We've got meditative colouring. We've got some suggestions for kind of what I've called doing and being. Ways to maybe go on active listening walks. We've got crafts to do. We've got labyrinths. We've got some prayers and space for you to write your own. What else have we got in there? More labyrinths. We have some baking. Very nice baking in there with all your instructions and everything. All kinds of things. So we've got who have we got in here? We've got David. We've got Ruth. We've got Naaman. Cyrus. From the New Testament, we've got Martha. And then if you're using this for Lent, then we've got Peter for Holy Week. We've got the second thief on the cross for Good Friday. And, oh, that's a lovely, that's Peter's labyrinth there. I really like that one there. And Thomas for Easter Sunday with some really nice colouring on there. So where's it? There we go. That's a really nice meditative colouring for that. So there's something for everybody in here. You just pick the bits that you like and kind of do those on there. So there you go. Broken Bits and Weirdness, hot off the press. Go buy it.